Namaste everyone. In this video, we will be chanting the sacred Narayana Upanishad, which is also known as Narayana Atharvashirsha Upanishad. This beautiful Upanishad declares Lord Narayana as the one supreme reality, the source of all creation, including Brahma, Rudra, and all the elements. This Upanishad is a short but powerful text classified as belonging to the Atharva Veda. Its main purpose is to declare that Lord Narayana is the one supreme and ultimate reality, Parabrahman. Shubham.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Saha Viryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Atha Purusho Havai Narayano Kamayata Prajasriceyeti Narayanat Prano Jayate Manas Sarvendriyani Cha Khammayurjyotirapah Prithvi Vishwasya Dharini Narayanat Brahma Jayate Narayanaat Rudro Jayate Narayanaadindro Jayate Narayanaat Prajapatayah Prajayante Narayanaat Dvadasaditya Rudravasavastarvani Chachandagumsi Narayanadeva Samutpatyante Narayane Pravartante Narayane Praniyante. Om Atha Nityo Narayanaha Brahma Narayanaha Shivascha Narayanaha Chakrascha Narayanaha Dhyava Prithvivyau Cha Narayanaha Kalascha Narayanaha Dishascha Narayanaha Urdhvascha Narayanaha Adhascha Narayanaha Antarbahishcha Narayanaha Narayana evedagum sarvam Yadbhutam yaccha bhavyam Nishkalo niranjano nirvikalpo nirakhyata shuddho deva eko Narayanaha Nadvitiyosti kaschid ya evam veda Savishnurev bhavati Omityagre vyaharet Nama iti paschat Narayanayetyuparishtat Omityekaksharam Nama iti dve akshare Narayanayeti panchaksharaణi Etadvai Narayanasyaashtaksharam padam Yo havai Narayanasyaashtaksharam padamadhyeti Anapapravas sarvamayureti Vindate prajapatyaguraya sposhangaupatyam Tato mritatvamashnute iti Ya evam veda Pratyakarandam Brahma Purusham Pranavasvarupam Akara Ukara Makara iti Tanekadha Samabharattadetadomiti Yamuktva Muchyate Yogi Janma Samsara Bandhanat. Om Namo Narayanaayeti Mantropasakaha Vaikuntha Bhuvana Lokam Gamishyati Tadidam param pundarekam vijnanagharam Tasmat tadidavan matram Brahmanyo devaki putro Brahmanyo madhusudano Sarvabhutasthamaekam Narayanam Karana rupamakara parabrahmo Etadathārvashiro yodhite Prataradhiyano ratrikatam papanna shayati सायमधीयानो दिवसकृतं पापन्नाशयति माध्यन्दिनमादित्याभिमुखो धीयानः पञ्चपातकोपपातकात् प्रमुच्यते सर्ववेदपारायण पुण्यं लभते नारायणसायुज्यमवाप्नोति नारायणसायुज्यमवाप्नोति य एवं वेद इत्युपनिषत्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः।